In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the EasyAntiCheat not installed error on Steam games. If you have been trying to launch your favorite games and keep getting met with an error message saying that the anti-cheat software is missing or not properly configured, you are in the right place. This issue is incredibly common with titles like Apex Legends, Fortnite, and Halo, but fortunately, the fix is very straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Before we dive into the solution, if this video helps you get back into your game, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Alright, let's get started with the first step. To begin, you need to open the Steam client on your computer and navigate over to your Library tab. Look through your list of games on the left-hand sidebar and find the specific game that is giving you the EasyAntiCheat error. Once you have located the game, go ahead and right-click on the game title. A drop-down menu will appear where you need to hover over the Manage option. From the submenu that pops up, click on Browse Local Files. This action is going to open up your Windows File Explorer directly into the installation folder of that specific game. Now that you are inside the game files, you need to look for a specific folder named EasyAntiCheat. This is usually located near the top level of the game's directory, though in some games it might be nested inside a folder called Binaries or Win64. Once you find the EasyAntiCheat folder, double-click to open it. Inside this folder, you are looking for an application called EasyAntiCheat.setup.exe. Go ahead and right-click this file and select Run as Administrator to ensure it has the necessary permissions to modify system files. Once the EasyAntiCheat setup tool opens, you will see a simple window with a drop-down menu and a button. Check to make sure the correct game is selected in the drop-down menu. Below that, you will see a button that either says Quick Setup, Install, or Repair Service. If the software is missing, click Install. If it is already there but not working, click Repair Service. The installer will now run through a quick process of registering the service with your Windows operating system. Once it finishes, you should see a message saying that the installation was successful. You can now close the setup window and close the File Explorer. Finally, as a best practice, I recommend restarting your Steam client entirely just to make sure all changes are recognized. Once Steam is back up, try to launch your game again. Everything should now load perfectly without that annoying error message popping up. If for some reason you still encounter issues, you might want to verify the integrity of your game files through the Steam Properties menu as a secondary step. And that's it. You have successfully fixed the EasyAntiCheat not installed error. If this video helped you out today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.